Very, very important, right? The one force guiding your life. Do you really want to understand what is this whole business of achievement? If you really want to understand, only then you can go into it. If you are into it superficially, out of an obligation, then you will not understand anything. You really want to understand this or not? If you think that this must be a very, very serious thing in which we are investing our entire life, this business of achievement, पूरा समय जिंदगी का हम इसको ही दे रहे हैं, अचीव करने को, तो ये समझना जरूरी है। अगर आपको लगता है कि ये इतनी ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण बात है तो ही आप समझ सकते हैं, पर अगर आपको लगता है क्या करना है, जिंदगी आनी जानी है, एक जिंदगी खराब कर देंगे दूसरी मिल जाएगी, तो फिर कोई बात नहीं। Are you really sincere about understanding it? If you have 1,000 rupees, are you careful about investing them? Are you or you not? Are you careful about investing your life? जिंदगी कहाँ पे लगा रहे हो, लगा ही क्यों रहे हैं? अगर 1,000 रुपए लगाने में आप सतर्क रहते हो, तो पूरी जिंदगी जिस चीज के पीछे लगा रहे हो वहाँ सतर्क रहने की जरूरत है कि नहीं है? Won't you make all kinds of calculations before you invest 1,000 rupees? कोई आपसे बोलता है कि इस पे 10% आपको इंटरेस्ट दे दूंगा, लेकिन 2 साल का इसमें मोरेटोरियम पीरियड है और ये है. Won't you actually calculate what kind of return am I getting from it? You'll calculate, right? You'll try to examine using your intelligence. Won't you like to examine using your own intelligence कि इस achievement के पीछे भाग रहा हूँ ये चीज क्या है? Would you like or would you not? Or is the value of your life less than even 1,000 rupees? Is the value of your life less than even 1,000 rupees? If it is, then there is no point sitting here. Then you may as well go and loiter around and have fun and come back in the evening. I'll give you attendance. But if you think your life is valuable, if you think that you love your life, if you think it's an important thing to decide, then we'll talk about it. Do you love your life?
Yes,
Do you think it's important to see how you are investing it?
yes,
Do you see it's important?
yes.
With so much of energy that I am utterly convinced. Do you see that it's important to invest your life?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Then tell me, what is this game of achievement? What are you trying to achieve? Where do your aims come from? Yes.
ये ऐसा हो सकता है कि आज तक बचपन से हम यहाँ तक आए हैं, तो जो डिजायरेबल की नेचर हमारे अंदर आई है वो सर्कमस्टेंसेस की वजह से आई है, जिसका सर्कमस्टेंस बना है उसी वही हमारे अंदर आई है, डिजायरेबल हम हो गए। अगर हम दूसरे सर्कमस्टेंस में रहते तो हमारी मतलब नेचर कुछ और ही होता, डिजायरेबल नहीं।
What's your name?
निश्चय
Nishchal.
निश्चय
Nishchay. Nishchay. Now Nishchay has said something very meaningful. What he is saying is, achievement means aim. You set up an aim, and when you get that aim, you call it an achievement. Am I right about that?
yes, yes.
That is the simple thing about achievement. You set an aim, you get to it, and you say, I am an achiever. Is that so? Are you absolutely one with me here?
Yes.
ऐसा ही है ना?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
एम क्या है? एम एक इच्छा है. एम एक इच्छा है. एम एक इच्छा ही तो है ना कि ये पाना है. एम is a desire. Am I right about that?
Yes, yes, yes.
You call it your aim always. Is that not so? You always call it. It is my aim. Don't you call that so?
Yes, yes.
यही बोलते हो ना, मेरा लक्ष्य है, my target, my desire, my goal. यही बोलते हो ना?
Yeah.
Nishchay has dropped a small bomb over here. He is saying, आपकी कोई desire है नहीं, ये तो आपकी circumstances की उपज है. You may keep calling it my desire, but there is no minus in it. What you are calling as your desire is a result of your circumstances. Had your circumstances been different, the desires would have been different. Do we agree with this?
Yes.
Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Don't agree too quickly, because this is a dangerous statement. Dangerous to all your patterns and ways of life. Do you agree to this? That desires come from circumstances.
So the desires do come from circumstances, but this will be mine. I'm not saying that if anyone is exactly in my situation, that person's desires will be exactly the same. But if I had been in a different situation, I would have been different.
But tell me, can two persons be in exactly the same situation?
That is what I'm saying, they can't be. And if they are, it is not, it might not be, it might not happen that they have the exact
It doesn't matter whether their desires, whether their response is same or not, because this remains a totally hypothetical situation. What you're saying, if two persons are in exactly the same situation, they'll still have different desires. Because two persons can never be in exactly the same situation. Do you see the truth of this fact that, as Nishchay said, that your desires are a product of your circumstances? Do the circumstances exist within you or outside of you? Do the circumstances exist within you or outside of you?
Outside.